Bill Gates predicts AI will replace humans in most jobs, doctors, teachers and others within a decade. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates has made a striking prediction about the future of artificial intelligence. According to Gates, AI will replace humans in most jobs within the next decade. Speaking on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon, Gates explained that while human expertise is currently rare, AI will make it commonplace. He cited examples such as great doctors and teachers, saying that AI will provide free intelligence that makes these professions more accessible. Gates acknowledged that this shift will be profound and a little scary due to its rapid pace. However, he remains optimistic about the benefits of AI, including breakthroughs in medicine, climate change solutions, and high-quality education for all. The billionaire philanthropist also noted that certain jobs will likely never be replaced by AI, such as those requiring human creativity and empathy. Gates encouraged young people to focus on AI-centric careers, calling it a fantastic opportunity for innovation and growth. Gates' prediction is based on the rapid advancements in AI technology, which have already led to significant breakthroughs in areas like language processing and image recognition. As AI continues to evolve, it's likely to have a profound impact on various industries and the workforce as a whole. I'm Melissa, thanks for watching Trending News. Stay tuned for more updates.